is, and then
hello, welcome to this meeting, this talk on a very important topic that is very often neglected by people, and that is our health, because we take it for granted, and in the process, we neglect it. Your health is your greatest investment. You need to nourish your body today for the life you want tomorrow. So in other words, eat well, live well, be well. Do not neglect your health. Now let's look at the path to vibrant health. Some very important points that you need to understand and know if you want to have a healthy life. Just a disclaimer, everything I'm going to talk about is from a primary healthcare perspective, not a medical prescription, nothing like that, just to give some ideas for you to think about. Quickly, my story. I started off with recurring throat infections since I was 14 years old. I needed antibiotics about 3 to 4 times a year for throat infections, and that went on for 17 years until I learned about proper health and nutrition. My son had a dairy allergy, and he had to be on medication. He had to watch us eat ice cream and drink milkshakes, and he had to eat chips or crisps, as the Americans say, when we had ice cream or drink a milkshake or eat chocolate. But giving him proper nutrition, within a month, he could throw away his medication because you could see the difference, and he could have a normal life eating stuff that contains dairy, which you couldn't do before. That really made me interested to find out more about health and nutrition, things we were not taught at school, things our parents did not even know, and things that the doctors, let's be honest, most of them don't know either. They're not trained in it. I don't blame them. That's a part of their training. So let's go on. The state of our health. The healthiest countries, the top 6 or 7, tend to always be the top 6 or 7. They just swap places sometimes. United Kingdom is around about number 31 now. United States about 66. And South Africa, yeah, I think I must not say anything about South Africa. We're probably first, but from the bottom. It's sad. We used to be number 35. That's about 30 odd years ago. We were number 35. Now we're rock bottom. That's terrible. But people are not aware of this. Now they say here, for example, when John F. Kennedy was president, 6% of American children had a chronic health condition. Today, shockingly, it is 60%. That tells you something is wrong. People are quick to say, I eat right. Yeah, right. Let's see the facts. In a study of nearly 22,000 people, listen here, not even one, not a single one, got all of the 10 specific essential nutrients researchers were looking for in their regular diet. Now, essential means your body can't make it, you must get it from your food. Not even one did. But I eat right. How often do you hear that answer? People are really misinformed, ignorant. Independent studies show incredible nutrient depletion in our food in the past 50 or so years. Here's an example of spinach. You can see iron drop, vitamin C and vitamin A drop. So you have to eat a couple of bowls of spinach now to get the same amount of nutrition as when I was a child. Apples, look at the same story with apples. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. I don't think that's true anymore. Now it's 26 apples a day. Look at what happened to the iron content. Now there's a lot of scientific reasons for this, but there's no time to explain everything in detail. Oranges, you have to eat 8 oranges today compared to 1 in the 1980s. You can see how much calcium, iron, vitamin A, vitamin C drop in an orange. Should I supplement? And that is a good question. And the answer is yes and no. By the end of my talk, you'll understand why I said yes and no. Real food, safe food, let's see. Because people buy stuff because they think it's healthy. GMO foods, specifically maize or mealies or corn, tested on rats, cause breast cancer, testicle cancer. Olive oil, all these virgin imported olive oils, up to 69% of those imported olive oils are only good enough for shoe polish, not for food. The first country to discover this was South Africa in 2014 already. Honey not being real honey. Antibiotics and other pesticides and stuff in farmed fish. People think we eat healthy. Clean label products found arsenic, cadmium, lead, acrylamide at high levels in nearly 80% of infant formula baby foods. We want your babies to be healthy, but what do we feed them? We feed them arsenic, cadmium, lead, acrylamide, and we say, "Hey, we give them the healthy food." Problem is we don't know this. It's not on the label. Even organic ones tested for BPA, up to 60% that said BPA free actually had BPA in, and BPA is a hormone disruptor. You see these chips here, white corn chips on the screen. The label says non-GMO. What happened was Consumer Reports tested chips and found it to be 100% GMO chips. They took the company to court. The company won the court case. Now, this is only in America, but I suppose it's going to happen in other countries too. The company won the court case. Why? They convinced the court the non-GMO, the no gluten and no trans fats, those were for the packaging, not for the content. I can just shake my head. Shame. I mean, why do you have things like that on the label if that's supposed for packaging? We don't eat the packaging. Come on. Look for third-party seals of accountability. That at least shows you that some independent institution or some other organization tested it, and you've got some guarantee, maybe not always 100%, because like we said, even samples that tested BPA free for organics at BPA in. But at least it gives you some protection. The one that says SAB, that stamp or that logo means 100% safe. Let me show you something that's happening in the world. People, how many men nowadays have got prostate problems? And you see, here's an example of a man. His prostate reading was 172. They basically said to him, "Go home, go die. There's nothing we can do for you. It's way too high." But he listened. He changed his lifestyle. He changed his diet. He started to remove toxins from his lifestyle. What happened? Not too long after that, his PSA, prostate reading, was normal. Now that is a dramatic change. From somebody to being told, doctors can do nothing for you, to this, that is amazing. Our bodies are amazing if we feed it what it needs. This lady, she was sitting in a restaurant with her husband. Now Louis told us about this. He was in the restaurant. He and Laverne, they sat next to this table. This lady and her husband were having their last supper together. Now, not the last supper of the Bible, but yes, last supper together. And they thanked each other for the life together, and they said basically goodbye. And Louis heard this. And Louis got up and he asked them, he said, "Sorry to interfere, but may I ask what is going on?" Well, she was sent home to die from multiplying cells, as they call it, fast multiplying cells, and there was no treatment anymore for her. So they were basically saying farewell. Louis said, started talking to her. The husband thought Louis was a snake oil salesman, so he left. But the lady listened, and she then changed the lifestyle, changed the diet, used whole food, organic supplements, and look what happened. That is not very long after that. Today, still healthy, today, still in remission, and that is because she listened and made wise choices and gave her body the chance to heal. This man, that stomach, that's not a stomach, that's a tumor. He listened, the same thing, he listened, look, there he is in remission. The person would have lost his feet, but the right nutrition and changes saved it, as you can see, except for the toe or two that was still eventually amputated. Amazing what your body can do if you feed it what it needs. This man lost almost 200 pounds. Again, listening and making lifestyle changes. This lady was on 18 medications. She is a qualified nurse. She had several diseases, sugar issues, blood pressure issues, an autoimmune disease, and quite a number of issues. Let's put it this way, probably a doctor's dream. She walked into a surgery and the doctor knew, I'm going to have money. She's going to, and a pharmacist also. That's a bit sarcastic with doctors now. Not all bad, please, don't get me wrong. There are good doctors there too, okay. This lady, listen, after about 8 weeks, take note, after about 8 weeks, of all 18 medications. It's amazing what your body can do. The 9 best doctors, Dr. God, Dr. Food, Dr. Air, Dr. Rest, Dr. Sleep, Dr. Exercise, Dr. Laughter, Dr. Water, Dr. Detox. We neglect these. We think we're smart or tough if we can cope with 6 or 4 hours sleep a night. But it catches us. We think it's fine to eat fast food every night. It's going to catch you. If you work too hard and never have time for laughter and joy and stuff like that, it's going to catch you. Here's the interesting one. A recent study found that the spider plants were able to remove 95% of chemicals from the air in 24 hours. So, buy a spider plant and have it in your room. Also, what we call it in South Africa, skoonma's tongue, mother-in-law's tongue. It's an amazing plant to have in your home to remove all these volatile organic compounds from your cleaning products. Hi, and we buy medicine because we think it helps us. Look what happened here. More than 500,000 bottles of blood pressure drug recalled over cancer risk. And that's recently. Okay, you see, 2 months ago. Chronic disease on the increase all over the world. This one is the USA. It's all over the world is the case. And according to the Council of Responsible Nutrition, this in 2021, 80% of adults currently take a daily supplement because there is a need. Our bodies need quality nutrition. So people take supplements in the hope they can feed their bodies what they need. First thing, eat as natural as possible. Cook from scratch, because everything around us is full of pollution. Our food, our water, the air, everything. We need to cook from scratch so our bodies have a better chance to fight all this pollution. And here's the shocker. Remember I said early on, must you take supplements? I said, answer is yes and no. Look at this one. FDA finds hidden drugs in nearly 50 dietary supplements sold on Amazon and eBay. Some were listed as bestsellers and Amazon's choice. So people are feeding their bodies poison. Joint supplement contains undeclared drugs. There were anti-inflammatory drugs in there. Drugs that could cause heart attack or stroke or bleeding and other serious side effects. So be careful what you buy and where you buy it. Studies on aloe vera found no aloe vera in aloe vera products sold in America in Walmart, Target and CVS. Now I think you understand why I said the answer is yes and it's no. Herbs. Herbs we tested, it did not contain the herbs on the label. Instead, it contained other things like rice, beans, peas, wild carrots, phyllis, even powdered grass. So people think they buy a herb, but they actually get in grass. Beta-carotene tablets or capsules increase the cancer risk in these cancer patients, or in the smokers. So, but take note, it was synthetic beta-carotene. And here is a clue for you. Synthetic is not always, or hardly ever, the same as a natural, organic, whole food one. And here's another study. You will notice at the top there were 21 vitamins, multivitamins to start with. 11 the ingredients did not match the label. 10 left. 3 of them did not dissolve. 7 left. 1 contained lead. Now why put lead in a supplement? It's a toxin. There were 6 brands left. US National Cancer Institute took the 6 brands, tested them. That a placebo group of cancer patients, no change. The cancer patients that did get the 6 brands, what happened? A 32% increase in cancer. Now that's shocking, because stuff that's supposed to help you actually made it worse. I hope I'm shocking you. I hope you're getting the picture why my answer was yes and no. So the 6 remaining store brand ones actually increased the cancer. Shakes, protein shakes, full of lead, cadmium and BPA, arsenic as well. And the plant-based powders ranked the worst. Collagen supplements, full of arsenic, cadmium, lead and mercury. You know, this is shocking. And this is quite a fad nowadays, collagen. People want collagen. There's a lot of misinformation about collagen. I hope you've noticed what I'm trying to show you. Don't go to the shop and just buy a supplement.
Hi, my name is Tom Hickey, and I've been a chiropractor for 36 years. And for the first 32 years that I was practicing, I had a real problem trying to help people with chronic disease. And what I ended up doing was I was treating patients with supplements and dietary changes and that type of thing that just didn't seem to be working at all. And I was introduced 4 years ago to an amazing whole food organic supplement that is concentrated nutrients. And so what I've done is I've incorporated those concentrated nutrients into my protocol for helping people with diabetes and heart disease and cancer and rheumatoid arthritis, a number of other different autoimmune disorders. And the results that I'm getting are amazing. And I couldn't have helped these patients if I would have stayed on the same path, treating people or helping people with supplements that I was using before, such as Standard Process and Shaklee. Some of the other products that we were using, I was just sending them off to GNC because I wasn't getting the results, or to Costco. But now I feel really empowered to be able to help my patient and patients because of the approach that we've been able to take with these whole food concentrates. I love the Neo products for my patients. I love them for myself. Thank you.
The reason why there are problems with supplements, you will notice here are a number of brands of supplement companies and supplements, okay, that used to exist, but who owns them nowadays? Many companies that actually are just after your money own these companies, and they're not that much concerned about whether the products are really helping you. Not even testing the products on humans. They just want your money. So take note who owns those companies nowadays. No wonder there are so many products on the market that are actually harmful. There's some more examples. Who owns the organics? It's shocking to see who owns them. Is it real? Because that is what Dr. Hickey was talking about. The supplements we're getting. Here's an example of consumerlab.com. No elderberry. 68% of these pills and powders tested. Found rice and other plant extracts. Tainted probiotics for infants. It took them 19 months. 19 months! I wonder how many babies got sick. 19 months before they recorded. So what must you look for? Questions you have to ask. Is this supplement the next one you put in your mouth? Next one you buy from the shelf? Is it made from human, natural, whole foods? If not, don't touch it. Is it produced under pharmaceutical license? If not, you've got no guarantee what is inside it. If there's no third-party human clinical trials done with it, you've got no guarantee that the product is actually dissolved, absorbed, and so on, and used by the body. And if the research isn't published in the peer-reviewed publications, you've got no sort of backup testing, double peer-review testing to make sure that what you're using is safe and effective. You may be wasting your money, you may be buying bad health to buy the wrong supplements. Look for supplements that publish, for example, or companies that publish regularly in scientific journals, like these ones. I'm going to show you some products. Here's one called 3NN. It contains lipids and sterols. Two scientists won a Nobel Prize in 2003 for showing that these lipids and sterols improve assimilation of cells. In other words, that means by how effectively food goes into the cells. It increases by 50% nutrients that can pass a cell up to 50% more go into the cells. And waste that's formed inside the cell, up to 55% of that is excreted from the cell. In other words, the cell is now functioning optimally because it has the nutrition it needs and it gets rid of the waste. Almost like a car engine that has been serviced. It runs much better. Now, these lipids and sterols do a number of things for you. It's found in a packet like that, but also you can buy separately too. But it helps to reduce mood swings, balance hormones, help menstrual problems, increases testosterone, balance thyroid, supports adrenals, increases energy, helps for fatigue, helps for rheumatoid arthritis, for nerve transmission and brain activity. And this was actually discovered in the 1950s already in a study at the Hollywood Presbyterian Hospital. That these lipids and sterols are very important. But nonetheless, despite the research being there, the proof being there, there's only one product on the market that contains the lipids and sterols. Here's another product. Carotenoid complex. Contains 50 beyond organic food and vegetable families. It contains like 600 carotenoids in there. Not only 4, 5, 6 or 15 carotenoids, but 600. Proven by USDA researchers to boost immune cells by 37%, increase natural cells by 20%, curb oxidation by up to 44%, and slows down aging. Now, slows down aging. Okay, how many bodies do people want to prevent aging now? Okay, just let me know. Protect against cholesterol-related heart disease by up to 500%. Amazing. It comes from food. Now, the actual fact was, when this product was put on the market, the USDA did not believe these statistics. They thought the company selling this product is a scam. And they wanted to prove that it's a scam. They wanted to close down the company. What happened? They got the same results. They actually told the company that they must patent this product because it is so unique and it's proven it works. Also found in that packet, benefits fills nutritional gaps, balances overactive immune system. Despite it actually boosting it, also balances the overactive immune system. Avoids colds and flu, lowers risk of abnormal cells, reduces cognitive decline, reduces risk of stroke, strengthens vision, etc. So you can see a couple of things. Now from here, the benefits, like we said, of carotid complex, reduces cognitive decline, better night vision, strengthens vision, slows aging, and for better skin. So it's a fantastic product. Another fantastic one, Salmon Oil Plus, tested on humans, lowered inflammatory index by 68% in 8 weeks. Standardized amounts of all 8 naturally occurring omega-3s, all 8, not just 2 or 3, all 8, the whole spectrum. Now let me quickly add something in here. You get many plant-based omega-3s, but it contains only one of the 8. And the body can convert that one only 10% effectively into the other 7. So unfortunately, if you're vegan, you've got a problem. You have to look at this type of supplement or eating fish. Otherwise, you will not get the full benefit of omega-3s. Now, this one is tested for 200 impurities, must have nothing, and the science is there to show it reduces inflammation, therefore it reduces cardio risk as well. There you can see, supports healthy heart and cardiovascular system, bone and joint health, improve memory, brain health, smarter babies, for prostate health, headaches and migraines, improves circulation, better vision, reduces mood issues and anxiety, helps with back or neck pain, eases monthly cycle pain, improves sleep, and the studies have been done by UC Davis and UC Berkeley. Again, it's not thumb-sucked. This is just a comparison. If you go for a quality supplement like the one that I'm talking about here, this one, the green box here, you see what all the things it contains. All the things it contains. Now this is American dollar. The same principle applies for other currencies. But look at the others. How many things they don't have. And look at their prices. They're more expensive. They've got less in. And many of them are not even organic. Many of them are not even GMO free. So, I mean, it's simple to me which one you must buy here. A proper meal shake. Remember I spoke of the protein shakes? Here's one. Produced under pharmaceutical license. ProteoGuard processed. PDCAAS is the highest you can find. So it's much better absorbed, not wasted. If it's not good PDCAAS, like typical ones in the shop, 70% of the proteins in the shake get wasted, not absorbed. This also protects the kidneys. Even diabetes can take it. Contains enzymes. All 22 amino acids. Plus other nutrients and fiber. It's a real meal replacement. And if you compare that with other shakes, you will see here, again, look at everything it contains compared to the other ones. Now the only one that's really cheaper on this list, take notes, what it hasn't got, it's only got 4 essential vitamins and minerals. This one is the one that I recommend got lots, 25. And you can look at the others as well. So you can't compare. Really can't compare. We call this a breakfast solution, where you take 2 shakes, a shake a day plus a Pro Vitality, and you can see that gives you 30 meals, and compared to a McDonald's meal, it's actually cheaper than McDonald's meal, by the way. And much, much healthier. And in the end, it's cheaper for you because your health will be better as well. So, find juice extracted, dehydrated, organically grown, non-hybrid, vine-wrapped, non-GMO fruits and vegetable produce according to pharmaceutical license, mouthful products. Okay? Find good products. All diseases can be linked to unhealthy cells. It starts with cells, with healthy cells. So, get proper cells, avoid stress and other unhealthy lifestyle things. Now, I like this one, quality aloe vera beverage. I drink it every day. It contains really aloe vera, but it's good for stress, for better sleep, for upset stomachs, for vomiting, for colds, for colic, for diarrhea, for sore throats. That's the one, by the way, that I used to gargle when I have any sign of a throat infection. I diluted this with water. I gargle 5, 6, 7 times during the day with it, and Any scratchiness in my throat within a day, maximum 2 days, it's gone. No antibiotics needed anymore. It's good for the liver, by the way, and so on, and the kidneys, etc. A very good, healthy drink, instead of these energy drinks that's full of stuff that's not so good for you. But we also go beyond supplements, because remember I spoke about how environment being polluted and the food being polluted. Cleaning products, home care products can cause disease. A lot of research showing that, and one cleaning product has already replaced more than 700 million bottles from being dumped. It's mild enough to be used in the butterfly world in Italy, where they clean the cages with this, and penguins with another product. Penguins get cleaned with an oil soap, and it doesn't harm the penguins. It's the only one they can use, and you can use these in your home, and they end up being cheaper than the poisonous stuff in the shops. So if you want better health, think beyond supplements. Don't only stick to supplements, because your cleaning products can be killing you. Because if you smell it, it's transferred to your brain and to your lungs, and that means you are getting damaged. There's over 20,000 children treated in ER annually due to household cleaners, and 30 die, and many face long-term problems. Here's the effectiveness of them as well. See those tiles cleaned by one of the non-toxic, biodegradable, friendly products. Yes, they're powerful. You don't have to have all these caustic products that are dangerous to clean. A healthy body equals a healthy mind, and a healthy mind takes care of business. Why not join us in the quest to make this world a healthier and happier place? There's so many people that are sick unnecessarily. Let's work on making this world a healthier and happier place. Help us protect our families and your families from dangerous supplements and cleaning products. Help us help people to enjoy their lives.